Hello Robert and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana and today I want to share with you 3 things that you can do to improve the traffic to your website. So let's start with content. Right now I'm in your website and I really like that you have click to call buttons and all of the information here at the top to reach out to you. Actually look at it on the mobile and it's very friendly, very easy to navigate. You have testimonials, you have nice pictures and all of your location details, the contact us form, which is really good. Now let's have a look at the amount of content that you currently have. So right now there are 841 words. And why is important to have enough content? So content is anything like text, images, or videos that you have on your website. And it's important because that's how Google finds you. So it's important to have enough content so that Google can find you for those, for the relevant keywords. So it's not only about enough, but also enough and relevant content. Let's have a look at your competitors. Let's have a look at A1 Garage. This is their landing page for Las Vegas. And right now they have 1,941 words. So they have a lot more content in the website. Let's have a look at Precision Door Service. This is the landing page as well for Las Vegas, and they have 923 words. So they have a little bit more, but they are outranking you. So one thing to actually pay attention to is the content and how relevant is that content. Now, I came here to Google search and I type in garage door repair Las Vegas, which is a buyer intent keyword, and it's nothing else that what people type in when they want to buy a product or a service. The first section is the Google Ads section, which is really good because they are good at driving traffic, but the flip side is that some people just turn them off, have the ability to turn them off in their browser, and can be very expensive if they are not done correctly. Now, the second section is the Google Maps. Oops. And the Google Maps are good because they are good at driving traffic. 40% of the Google traffic, of the traffic is being driven by these Google Map packs. To rank at the top, you need 3 things. You need pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. So a citation is anywhere your business is listed on a directory showing the name, the address, and the phone number. And the important thing is they have to be exactly the same so that Google can verify you and can give you the top positions in the Google Map packs. Now, the third section is what we call the organic search. So in the organic search, you can see that I found the 2 competitors that I'm talking about. And to rank at the top, you need 2 things. You need, well, first to be found by Google for the content, so the buyer intent keyword, but also the backlinks. So to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And Ahrefs is shows us the back end of the website. So right now it's saying to me that you are being ranked for seven organic keywords and that there are 2 referring domains with 2 backlinks. And a backlink is a link on a website that is directing traffic to yours. So here, the important thing is that you need to have a good amount of backlinks, but also you want to have powerful backlinks. And a powerful backlink is a link that is sitting, for example, in an association of that is relevant to your niche or to your industry, because then Google has algorithms to verify that and can give you higher positions if they give you points for that. So A1 Garage Door, right now they have 107 organic keywords and there are 356 backlinks in 85 referring domains. And Precision Doors, they have 3,100 organic keywords with 2,400 backlinks in 594 referring domains. So it's important to have a look at those backlinks and start building them. Now, the other thing that I wanted to show you was the keywords. So that's in terms of the content. So right now you are being ranked for 7 organic keywords, which is this one. This dashboard shows me the keywords and the volume. So this is the number of times this keyword was searched for per month. And this is showing me the position that you are appearing in the Google search. So anywhere beyond the 10th position means that you're already on the 2nd page of Google and no one is seeing you. Now let's have a look at A1 Garage Doors. Right now they are being ranked for 107 keywords. And just having a look at the first two, so Garage Door Repair Las Vegas and Las Vegas Garage Door Repair, means that these two terms combined were searched for 3,500 times, meaning that this website was in front of 3,500 people per month. And because they are appearing on the first and the third position, respectively, then it means that people that were actually seeing that website. So a percentage of those people click on the website, on that link, and then a percentage of those reach out to them, and depending on their closing rate, they were able to convert them into customers. And that means more traffic basically translates into more customers and into more revenue. So Robert, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to actually consider a more in-depth consultation, please consider having a one-on-one and arranging a one-on-one with me. My details are here. I am Viviana Olaya. My number is here, and my email address as well. Thank you so much for watching. I would love to hear from you, and I would love to hear your feedback. Thank you so much. Bye bye.